Talking about assets and songs that you're linking, I just wanted to show you one quick thing. Normally, as we said before, you want to click this button here to add your songs or movies, videos, etc. If you happen to put one into the RSRC file, this tells you a little bit about it if you roll your mouse over it. But certain files will play, and like certain MP3s won't in here. So like a MIDI file will play, and this one, if I double click, it's a speaker icon. So it's playing, but not all files play through the RSRC file correctly. So I think it's better to put them in here. But I just wanted, this is the number 2 way where it takes you over to the it'll take you over when you're on assets. It'll take you over to the RSRC file. This field's already attached, so it doesn't need to be. You can delete it, but if you click on this, it's not going to go to the RSRC file unless I delete this, and I don't want to do that. So basically, you want to put them in this first field here, like we showed you, a movie or an MP3. So an MP3 will look like we'll show you an example of one. I think there's some in here. There we go. So an MP3 will look like that. So you can put your file in there and play them as you need to. And you can have each version according to its correct number and version number. All right.